Happiness is to hold flowers in both hands. Hello mga Mars! Welcome back again sa ating garden. And for today's video, we're going to feature another beautiful succulents known as Crassula perforata variegata. It features unique stalk leaves that spiral around the stem, resembling beads or buttons. The leaves are typically gray-green with attractive pinkish or reddish tinges, especially when exposed to strong sunlight. It's a scrambling succulent that can grow upright initially and then become more sprawling or pendant over time, making it suitable for containers or hanging baskets. Crassula perforata is known for being low maintenance and drought tolerant. It thrives in a well-drained soil and prefers full sun or light shade, with some protections from intense midday sun in hot climates. It's a popular choice of rock gardens, containers, hanging baskets, and a ground cover due to unique appearance and ease of care. It can be propagated by divisions of sets of leaf cuttings.